Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the construction of the Rio Mino Bridge. That's the bridge straight ahead, and this bridge is going to be the widest bridge in Jamaica when finished. Now, we've put up videos of the bridge before, and it was the NWA, the National Works Agency, that says this will be the widest bridge in Jamaica when finished. I don't know. Persons have said the Harbour View Bridge is very wide, and the Causeway Bridge on the Portmore Expressway is wide. This bridge is going to be 4 lanes, 2 on each side, a dual carriageway. The Causeway Bridge is 6 lanes. The Harbour View Bridge is 4 lanes. So I really don't know what the NWA is talking about. But that's what they said. This will be the widest bridge when completed. But looking at the bridge now, I just realized something. The 2 lanes directly in front of us, this side is bigger. They're not the same. The bridge is not uniform basically. This side of the bridge is much wider than the other side. I never realized it before, but it's clear that the side straight in front of us is wider than the other side. So maybe the NWA does know what they're talking about. But we're going to have to find out from them why they said that. But nonetheless, this bridge is a part of Highway 2000. So Highway 2000 is a highway that's to be built from Kingston to Montego Bay. It's being built in sections, so that the Kingston to Maypen is open. That section has been finished. So they're working on the Maypen to Mandeville section, and that's where this bridge comes in. This bridge will connect the Maypen section to the section that runs to Mandeville. So that's where this bridge comes in. So the bridge looks complete, so we're going to drive over it. So where we are now is Clarendon, the Rio Mino Bridge in Clarendon, and this is a new bridge that was just built, and it's a part of the Highway 2000 project. So this highway will run from the Maypen roundabout, where this video started, all the way to the Williamsfield roundabout in Manchester. And then when that section is complete, another section will be built, and they'll keep building out the highway in sections until it eventually reaches Montego Bay. Alright, so we're going to turn back around now. Trying to figure out, no, both sides look the same from this. When you approach a bridge from this side, it does look wider than the bridge on the other side, but we have to contact the NWA, because the NWA is in charge of all the bridges in Jamaica, so they would know. But they did say that this will be the widest bridge when completed. I mean, when you look at this side of the bridge, this side of the bridge could take 3 lanes easily, so you can't really use the lanes to judge it. Alright, so if you look straight ahead now, that's the existing highway. You can see this road lines up directly with the existing highway. So when they're ready to open it up, they will just connect straight across and bypass the roundabout that's there. That's the main road on the left, so that road will stay. You just continue straight. But now when they're ready to connect both ends, they'll just get rid of the roundabout and the road will connect directly. So if you look at some of the older videos we have up about this construction, you'll notice that where we are now, it's totally dumped up. When they were, because it had to reach a level of the existing highway, but when they were constructing it, it was not this high. The level wasn't this high. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Leave your comments about which bridge you think is the widest. And remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.